G'day guys, it's Alex and
Ruben!
Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you some cool post-apocalyptic silver.
That's it. We are into the currency of the apocalypse. We've got some Zombucks.
Let's get right into it because I've been very keen on seeing these. And I haven't got any in my stack at all of any of these varieties, so very happy to hear. About 5 minutes ago, now I'm doing an unboxing on one of these.
I've picked up some kind of here and there as I've gone throughout my stack, Alex, because I found these super cool. So they kicked off with just Zombucks in 2017 and did a bunch of the US coins. So a bit of a zombified take on some of the original US classic coins. And yeah, I think met with a really good reception. People liked it. And so they moved on to Zombucks World, which is what this is a part of, and attacked some of the more classic world coins. So Australia's been in there a couple of times with the kookaburra, the kookaberried, I think it's called.
Yeah, kookaberried, love that one.
And the kangaroo as well, but yeah, a few other world coins in there, and they're continuing off, and it's the UK under attack this time. We'll take a look, but it's the bull.
Okay. All right, this is a beauty. Have a look at that.
Let's take a look. There we go. So yeah, very zombified version there of the Bull of Clarence. I think we can say that. I'm not sure if they're allowed to in their original marketing or whatever for it, but yeah, very clearly a take on the Bull of Clarence there. And it's yeah, a little bit zombified and not looking so good. And I love the back there as well to see the currency of the apocalypse.
Indeed. It's the Queen's Undead series.
That's it.
How cool will that be?
Very cool. So that's it. I quite like this series as a bit of a nod to some of the classics and a little bit of a cool spin on it. You know, it's not ripping it off, I'd say. I think I don't think you can use the word tasteful for a series like this, but it's a very cool recreation of and homage to.
It is very cool, and as we say, there's a bit of flavour to the stack, and that certainly packs a punch. That's just gorgeous. This is a really cool one. Now, but the problem is now I have to go back and source some of the other ones.
That's it. So yeah, this is actually the 7th in the series of their their Zombucks World that I was mentioning earlier. And I think there might be some more to come. They've done a few other spin-offs, including a coloured version of this one, as well as they've branched into some silver notes, the Zombuck notes, which I know you're very excited about, Alex, as a connoisseur of goldbacks.
Absolutely, and if I can twist Michael's arm, well, you never know. Watch this space.
I'd also be interested to know down in the comments below what other coins you think they should give a crack to, give the old zombie treatment to. Moving forward, we'll see what else they can give us. But very cool. Links will be down in the description down below. And yeah, let us know what you think of the Zombuck Bull of Clarence's.
Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.